I know we get caught up in numbers. We get caught up in subs. We get caught up in the watch time. We want to get monetized. We want to scale a sustainable passive income, even if it's $50 a month, $100 a month. We go to YouTube. With the right opportunity, a lot of people can go viral. The right opportunity, a lot of people sustain a decent amount of income, a decent amount of revenue. YouTube can become their full-time job, earning residual / passive income, depending on how you look at it, depending on how much work you put into YouTube. This is what I want to get into real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. I know you guys got to start your channel, start making YouTube videos. I want to talk about how we can create at velocity for exponential growth, for compound growth, and get that snowballing effect and quickly get to your 1,000 subscribers, to your 4,000 watch hours, monetize that same day, and start earning passive / residual income easily. I'm creating this channel from scratch, just like you guys are. Small YouTube channels, here we go. I want to take out the complexity of starting a channel and growing a channel, growing it to get to your monetization thresholds and growing it to scale in your revenue. Ultimately, it's about reach. Get to a consistency of just creating videos, not posting first. Create 1 to 2 videos a week. If you have the flexibility, if you have the time, I know a lot of people work, I know a lot of people have kids and we're dealing with life. If you can create something once a day, do that. But don't focus on posting once a day, because we get to a point where when we create, we just want to throw it out. We just have that itch for that viral bug, and that's not how YouTube works. Let's get to creating quality content. You should be able to come on here and naturally provide some sort of solution to fix some sort of problem, to bring some sort of awareness, or show some sort of entertainment. Once you figured out where you are trying to go with your niche and your audience, then we get into the creativity part. Audience retention is what pushes YouTube videos. It's what's gonna push your channel. Thumbnails, titles, and your first 30 to 60-second pitch is what's gonna help grow your channel. When we focus on creating for the possibility of scale, then we can focus on a posting frequency. But don't overwhelm yourself. Develop a cadence of how you want to create, when you can do it on your free time, because that's the goal with this, is doing it on your free time. That's number 1. Number 2, get to an understanding of what you want to talk about, how you want to ascertain to a certain group, and how often you can actually do this. Scale. Once we kind of have that thought out, once you had a couple videos created, focus on posting. Post something once a week, twice a week if you can. Once you start seeing that video push, you start looking at your analytics, your CTR, your click-through rate, your audience retention. You start looking at where your YouTube videos are being pushed, suggested at, browsed at. Then you can start understanding when to post. And as I said a little earlier in this video, the longevity of posting throughout the year is what yield results. That you're gonna be able to create a cadence of seeing what works your first week and your first month of posting. And at the end of the year, 1 or 2 of them, 2 or 3 of them can become evergreen videos. The goal is to build volume while at the same time building quality. That's through brainstorming and trial and error. So keep posting, but first keep creating. Don't overthink it. The goal of YouTube is to create your own future. The goal of your channel is for you to be the CEO on the direction of your life. Get to it. Start your channel now. Send me an email if you need some assistance, some help. Look, I started this channel just a couple of days ago. This is now gonna be my 2nd video. We're trying to now grow this channel to monetization. I've scaled 2 other channels. I also have my channels linked in my bio, so check those out. If you found this somewhat valuable, somewhat inspiring, motivational, informational, leave a like, drop a comment, say hi, and let's grow. Let's create a velocity.